Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to my fellow panels. Today, my name is Muhammad Nur Azizi bin Tunan, and today I would like to present my final year project proposal, which is my project title is Design, Analysis, Testing, Verification of Aircraft Structural Box. For this project is under Prof. Madya Dr. Ramzan Ramli supervise. We move to project summary. This project is basically a design proposal for a new shape of agriculture UAV, especially in the fuselage and tail part of the UAV. The designing process required much consideration before proceeding to the next steps. The design will be analyzed to determine that the design is strong and safe enough to be used for the agriculture purpose. This designing and analysis keep repeat until the safety measure will are achieved. Move to introduction. In this new era, the rural labor force keep decreasing drastically worldwide, especially in the agricultural sector. Due to this change, a new modern technology is needed to substitute the function of the labor force, especially in the agricultural sector, where crop spraying for fertilizer and pesticide can be done with help of the new modern technology. With this substitute, lesser rural labor force is needed in conducting the work. But there is a limitation where crop spraying, when the amount of fertilizer and pesticide loaded in the UAV is limited and can cover a small scale of a crop. The new design is purpose where more payload can be loaded into the UAV, which is a fixed-wing multi-rotor hybrid agriculture drone funded by KEPU grant under Research Management Center UITM. And the left side, we can see the old design for the agricultural UAV, and the right side is the design proposal for a new UAV for agriculture. We move to literature review. There are two journals that I have read. The first journal about the fuselage aerodynamic prediction method, which is in this journal stated that fuselage design is particularly critical for aircraft where the design contribute the largest drag to the aircraft. The fuselage geometry is divided into three parts, which are a nose, cabin, and a tail cone. Each design, if there is change in either one design, will affect the other two parts. Next journal is a stability analysis for the twin boom H-tail medium scale UAV through simulated dynamic module. In this journal, they stated that UAV is designed to achieve more control flexibility for effective deployment. The key performance of the UAV are the minimum time taken to reach the target, less power consumption, maximum possible angle of attack, optimum throttle level, and platform geometry. There are two stability stated in this journal, which is static stability and dynamic stability. Static stability describe the ability of the UAV to return to its equilibrium position effect from the smallest disturbance. For dynamic stability, refer to UAV's ability to recover from any perturbations. Both stability give the basic idea of the maneuverability of the UAV. We move to problem statement or problem identification. In this project, I have identified the main problem is due to the limited payload can be loaded into the aircraft UAV due to old model that have a small storage to store the payload, which this problem lead to can the process of the crop spraying is can cover less space for the spraying area, and it will lead to take a long time to finish spraying. Next, the design need to be the strength of the UAV need to be considered. which is the UAV can be used for long lasting usage and can support maximum payload. And next, we move to work must be done repeatedly due to limited payload. This action is inefficient and more fuel and energy uses to finish the project. Now we move to the objective. First, the objective is to design the fuselage with a tail boom for agricultural spray for my part, and next to analyze the fuselage design to fit the load, power and payload requirements, and next lastly to evaluate the safety measures of the drone. The scope of the project. In this project, this project is more to design proposal for the external and internal structure of the fixed wing multi-rotor hybrid drone, while considering the requirement of load, power consumption and payloads. In this project, the design will be run under analysis simulation, and the analysis result will be analyzed to improve the safety measure for the drone. This action will keep repeat until certain safety measures are achieved. We move to limitation for my project. The first limitation is limited access to go computer lab and engineering workshop. First is due to COVID-19, we cannot have access to go either computer lab and engineering workshop. And if we really need to go to there, we need to follow certain standard of procedure that been this that been we need to follow the standard of procedure. Due to in the at the computer lab, there are facility that certain software have at there. So but due to COVID-19, we cannot have access, and we have to run our simulation and design process in our laptop. But the limitation for my laptop is not compatible with certain software, which lead to change plan for my project. Next, insufficient research material related to the project. The lack of implementation of UAV in the agriculture sector make the journal or research about this project is lesser than I have to find other alternative information related to both UAV function and aircraft design, which is limited, not easy to find. We move to methodology. First, the designing process of fixed wing multi-rotor hybrid drone for agriculture using CATIA V5. I using CATIA V5 to design the drone, and after that I run a simulation of static structure using CATIA Boolean simulation. There are many functions I need to set up before the analysis are run. And then after the result analysis appear, I have to analyze the result, and the modification of the drone design can be made to increase the safety measures. This is my preliminary result for my project. This is drafting for the fuselage, and this is a deformation under certain force with payload. This is von Mises stresses, and this is a displacement. That's all for me. Thank you.